Hi guys, and welcome back to If Only April. Today we're gonna continue our series Christmas with April, and I have something super exciting for you planned. Today we're gonna cover 10 ideas how to toddler-proof or baby-proof your Christmas tree. As you know, I have two little girls, 4 years old and 2 years old, and for the last couple of years we've been trying to find the ways how to keep their little hands off the Christmas tree. Because as you know, it can end up very badly for the kids and for the tree as well. So let's see what we can do about it. And we're gonna get our hands on DIY a bit, and we're gonna make a felt Christmas tree for toddlers. Super exciting thing, I can totally vouch for it. It helps me every single year during Christmas time. I just want to mention right from the beginning that I'm not I'm toddler proofing professional, and I'm simply giving you some ideas what you can do, but if something goes wrong, don't blame me. I'm not responsible. So let's start from the beginning. This is probably a super simple solution, and just get a smaller Christmas tree and lift it up. You can use the table or some small wooden box and just elevate the Christmas tree from the reach of this little hand. I think it's especially good for babies and the ones that they cannot walk yet. So if they're crawling and they cannot stand up to reach the tree, win-win. I mean, your tree is intact, your baby is safe. Another option is to secure the Christmas tree to the wall. You can just simply use the nail on the wall, use the rope, and tie the tree to the rope. Let me tell you some sad story. I think when I was pregnant with my first one, I decorated this Christmas tree and I made all these beautiful Christmas ornaments by hand, and I was so excited. And then the tree fell. Oh my God, I was so terrified. But we didn't have babies around, but there's a really high risk if you don't put it properly that it's gonna fall. If you want to avoid it, and I'm sure you do, just tie it with a rope to the window. Another cool idea is to build kind of a wall around your Christmas tree. So it could be just a simple gates, or you can use some big boxes from Amazon or wherever you have the boxes from, wrapped in the wrapping paper, and it's gonna look pretty, and it's gonna kind of create a little barrier for your little kid not to come close to the tree and not to mess with it. Another thing you can do, and it's a super easy way, you can just get a small table tree and obtain for the smaller version, and not to have like a massive Christmas tree in your living room. This way you're still gonna have some cheer for Christmas, but at the same time you're gonna avoid the danger of your kid messing up with the real thing.
And it's a small tree. That's my girl.
I found plenty of amazing ideas for the tabletop Christmas trees, and they look so gorgeous and beautiful, and it could totally be an option, but I think it's not my favorite one. So let's talk about ornaments.
I'm gonna relocate some of my favorite ornaments.
The first option is you can keep your glass ornaments high enough so that the little hand's not gonna be able to reach it. Another option is completely to opt out from the glass ornaments and use toddler-proof ornaments. So stay tuned, because this is gonna be one of my next videos about how to make this toddler-proof Christmas ornaments. We're gonna be making ornaments from felt, from natural materials, from oranges, I mean paper, all the things that cannot break, and even if they break, you're not gonna find tons of shattered pieces on the floor that super dangerous, and then you have to clean up. Oh yeah, again. Make your ornaments with your kids. So as I said before, there's so many options what you can make Christmas ornaments from. You can make them from sawed-off paper, from clay, from natural materials, from, oh my God, the options are endless. And there's no scientific proof to it, but I really want to believe that if you make the ornaments with your kids, they kind of cherish it more. Well, to be completely honest, this didn't work with us, because my kids still went and messed up with the tree. But at least we had fun making the ornaments, right? Okay, another thing is to let your toddler to help decorating the Christmas tree, because as with the previous point, you kind of hope that if they're gonna decorate it, then they won't mess it up. but there is also no scientific proof to it, and I cannot vouch for that because my kids decorate the Christmas tree with me every year, but it still doesn't stop them from just going around and rearranging things all the time. The tree probably won't look as good as if you decorate it by yourself, but I mean, if there's a slight chance that that could work, I would totally take it.
What should we put on it first?
Lights!
Oh, and now this is my favorite tip. It's to put little alarms in the form of jingle bells to your Christmas tree on the bottom. So as soon as the prying hands get to it and you, for example, in the kitchen, you can hear this ding, 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 and you're gonna know that someone is messing up with your tree and you're gonna be right there trying to catch them. The next point is go minimalist. Literally just have the tree, don't have any ornaments on it, or have some orange garland and I don't know, a couple of oranges here and there, just a couple of paper pieces here and there, and just call it a day. That's an option too.
Take the ornaments off, or could. Hey.
And now we got to my absolutely favorite thing, which is a Christmas tree from felt for toddlers. We all know that toddlers, they love things for themselves. So if you make them a Christmas tree from felt and they're gonna make these small little ornaments from felt as well, they're just gonna think, oh my God, I've got my own Christmas tree. What's the point to touch the big Christmas tree if I've got my little one? I made this super fun project with Sasha a couple of years ago, and I have to say this Christmas tree is going strong for the last 3 years. So every December we take it out and my kids start putting the ornaments on it, and then they come and they start rearranging the ornaments, and this is just so perfect. So let me show you how to make a simple Christmas tree for toddlers from felt. Let's get to it. First, you need to cut out the tree. Fold green felt fabric in half and cut out the shape of the tree. You can create different shapes of the branches or leave it straight. Let your imagination run. Use a handmade stencil for better results. You can make the base from the brown felt or leave it as it is. I just left it as it is and didn't want to be bothered. Then you need to go ahead and cut out a variety of different ornaments to decorate the tree. You can add strings of lights or just leave it with the ornaments only. You can add some different ribbons, you can add different embellishments, or you can just leave it as it is and let your kids enjoy it. And now I'd love to hear your ideas how you toddler-proof your Christmas tree and what measures you do to keep those little hands off the Christmas tree and out of danger. Please comment below. I would love to hear your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope this gave you some ideas how to toddler-proof or baby-proof your Christmas tree, and you're gonna have a safe, Merry Christmas. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit that notification bell button to be notified every time I post a video. And also like, share and comment my videos because it helps my channel tremendously and it would make me super happy. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye!